Welcome back to the Autoland, where we explore the latest, the boldest, and the most jaw-dropping machines on the planet. From the streets to the skies, we bring you stories that move, literally and figuratively. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of enthusiasts. Now let's dive into something truly epic. The City KA-52 Alligator helicopter for 2026 is more than just a combat aircraft. It's a symbol of modern warfare where technology, agility, and sheer power come together. Built on the legacy of the original KA-52 platform, the 2026 version comes with substantial upgrades, both in performance and sophistication, reaffirming its place as one of the most capable attack helicopters in the world. At first glance, the KA-52 Alligator exudes menace. Its twin coaxial rotors remain its most iconic feature, allowing for superior maneuverability, tight turns, and stable hovering in extreme conditions. This rotor design eliminates the need for a tail rotor and gives the helicopter a unique silhouette that stands out even among modern military aircraft. In the 2026 update, the rotors are built with reinforced composite materials, improving durability and reducing acoustic signature, a crucial factor in stealth operations. But what really makes the 2026 KA-52 Alligator stand out is its technological overhaul. The airframe is lighter, yet tougher, thanks to a combination of titanium-reinforced polymers and next-gen composites. This results in a helicopter that is faster, more agile, and more fuel-efficient, with extended operational range and better survivability. Under the hood, the engines have received a significant boost. The VK2500P turboshaft engines have been upgraded with digital control systems, enhancing fuel economy, thrust, and high-altitude performance. These engines now allow the KA-52 to cruise at speeds exceeding 300 km/h, with a combat range of nearly 600 kilometers without refueling. And that's just the baseline. Optional drop tanks and aerial refueling capabilities extend its range for long-haul missions. From the cockpit, the experience is next level. Stepping inside the KA-52 Alligator 2026 is like entering a futuristic control room. Gone are the analog dials of past decades. Now, a full-glass cockpit greets the pilot and weapons operator with multifunctional touchscreens, augmented reality overlays, and voice command support. These upgrades not only make the helicopter easier to operate, but significantly reduce pilot fatigue on longer missions. The dual-seat, side-by-side configuration remains, allowing for excellent crew coordination. The seats themselves are reinforced with anti-shock armor and ejectable systems that can save the crew even in dire circumstances. Enhanced night vision, IR sensors, and synthetic aperture radar allow the KA-52 to operate 24/7 in all weather conditions, from dense urban environments to rugged mountainous terrain. Weaponry, of course, is where the Alligator shows its teeth. The 2026 variant brings modular flexibility to the arsenal. It's equipped with a 30mm autocannon mounted to the side of the fuselage, precise, powerful, and capable of engaging both aerial and ground targets. The stub wings on either side carry an array of guided missiles, including Vickers-1 and Hermes A systems, along with rocket pods and anti-tank guided missiles. Each weapon system is integrated into an upgraded targeting suite, powered by AI-assisted threat recognition, dramatically increasing accuracy and reducing the response time in hostile engagements. One of the newest features is the onboard drone coordination system. The KA-52 Alligator 2026 can deploy, control, and receive feedback from small reconnaissance drones during a mission.
This gives pilots real-time situational awareness and the ability to scout enemy positions without exposing themselves to direct danger. For defense, the helicopter includes advanced countermeasure systems like radar jamming, infrared suppression, and active missile deflection. Composite armor plating surrounds the cockpit and vital components, while automatic fire suppression systems add another layer of protection. Perhaps most fascinating is how the helicopter blends lethal force with high-tech adaptability. Whether it's used for frontline assaults, scouting, or electronic warfare, the KA-52 2026 adapts to mission needs quickly. And thanks to its digital backbone, future software and hardware updates can be integrated without major overhauls. In the skies, the Alligator is fast, quiet, and deadly, a trifecta of qualities that make it a prized asset for any military force. Its intimidating presence, combined with refined engineering
and AI-powered systems, makes it a helicopter that feels like it belongs more in a sci-fi movie than a modern battlefield. Yet, here it is, very real, very capable, and very much a force to be reckoned with, whether you're an aviation buff, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves powerful machines. The KA-52 Alligator 2026 is something to admire. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation, proving that even in the world of military aviation, evolution never stops. If you enjoyed this look at the incredible City KA-52 Alligator 2026, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most advanced machines. Drop a comment below and let us know what aircraft, vehicle, or tech you'd like us to feature next. Until then, stay curious, stay safe, and keep watching the skies.